So it's Cynthia and I'm out in nature. I'm actually hanging out with all the ducks. Actually gave them some food, some duck food. And so they have been pretty close, just trying to see if I have any more. But they're super cute. They are adorable. Super duper cute. Aw. They are adorable. Yep, just gave them some food and I'm just sitting here at the lake, just relaxing myself. I think if I wasn't so much dirt around, I probably would take off my shoes and literally walk around. Just be grounded. But this is what it looks like. This is my view today. Love in nature. Enjoy.